Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video guys I am going to talk about the biggest misconceptions about auto body and painting. Now it is very important that we should know these misconceptions guys, so that we can take uniform decisions. So in this video I am going to tell you guys 4 myths that are going to blow your mind. It is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. So first of all, how are you all of my subscribers? I know I am posting this video after a long time. It is more than 2 months now that I have posted a video on this channel guys. It is because I am working on a course on how to paint a car, which is taking up all my time guys. So I have to compromise my consistency so that I can make that course ready guys, which will benefit all of you guys. It's an in-depth course of how to paint a car at home with detailed steps, how to use a stud welder, how to do paint blending to a panel, and all that stuff is included in that course guys. So I'm working on it at the moment. I don't know when I will publish it, but that is the reason why I am not consistent on my channel. Once I'm done with that course, I assure you guys that I will be consistent on this channel. But at the moment, please excuse me. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. So let's move on to myth number 1, and myth number 1 is all paint jobs are the same. Yes guys, many people think that all paint jobs are the same. As the matter of fact guys, not all paint jobs are created equal. There are basic paint jobs and there are advanced paint jobs. Basic paint jobs are typically to fix minor damage or blend in an existing paint. These paint jobs often prioritize function than aesthetics guys. Now this type of paint jobs will not involve disassembly, means you will not take parts out of the car and do the paint job and all. And in this type of paint jobs often you will use low quality paint products. Color sanding and buffing will not be done in this type of paint jobs. And when you do low quality paint jobs like this, you can get paint runs in your paint jobs, you can get orange peel in your paint jobs, and most of the time guys you can make out that you have done a paint job on that surface because it shows. But when it comes to high quality and advanced paint job, it goes beyond covering the damage guys, because in high quality paint jobs obviously you will be using good quality paint products, and when you use first quality paint products, your surface is going to get good protection as well guys. So your surface is going to last longer because now you are using good quality body filler, now you are using first quality primer, now you are using first quality paint products like base coat, clear coat. And in high quality paint jobs, you often do color sanding and buffing as well. So the advantage of a high quality paint job is you will not get paint runs in your paint job, you will not get orange peel in your paint job because you are doing color sanding and buffing, and you cannot make out that you have done a paint job on that surface guys. So moving on to myth number 2, and myth number 2 is DIY auto body painting is very easy. Yes guys, this is a myth. Many people think that they can just hold a spray gun in their hand, they can put the paint inside of the spray gun and they can start painting the car. As simple as that. But as a matter of fact, pro level auto body and painting is a very complex process. It requires deep understanding of the material in the first place guys. You should know the right techniques as well, and guys you should master surface preparation, because professional quality paint jobs involves multiple steps guys, and each step plays a very important role. You cannot skip any of the step guys. If you skip a step, then you are not going to get a good finish. So to get a pro like finish, you should follow all these steps. Some of the steps I will tell you now. And step number 1 is surface preparation. Yes guys, surface preparation plays a most important role in auto body and painting. Now surface preparation includes taking the dent out, filling it up with body filler, leveling the dent with the surrounding panel, and all those things come under surface preparation, and it is a very important step guys. If you miss that step, and if you think that there's a minor scratch on the car, so I will just spray the primer and then I will spray the paint and the primer will fill up that scratch, then it's a myth guys. Even a minor imperfection in the surface will show up on your finished paint job guys. So surface preparation is very important. Then comes the paint application techniques. Yes guys, you should know the proper paint application techniques. You should know how to set up your PSI, your spray pattern. your spraying technique, all these things you should master, guys. Because without knowing the proper paint application techniques, you will mess up your entire paint job, no matter if you have done a very good surface preparation. Then comes the environmental control. Yes guys, environmental control means how much air is coming inside of your spray booth, how the air is going out of your spray booth, how much dust is entering your spray booth. All these things should be in your control, guys. Because if you don't have control over these things, then dust will settle on your finished paint job, bugs will get into your clear coat, and if you have cats around your house, they can jump on your paint job and they can create paw marks on your freshly painted paint job. Then guys, there is something called as a drying time, there is something called as a flash time, which you should follow. If you don't follow the flash time, and if you do your paint job fast, then that also is a problem, guys, because all those gases and chemicals will get trapped inside and now they cannot come out because you have sprayed the paint too fast now. Now you will start to get bubbles in your paint job. So there are many things to learn, guys, remember that. Then guys, you need specialized equipments like the compressor, the spray gun, unlike the aerosol cans, guys, because if you want to do paint matching, then you cannot do the paint matching with the aerosol can, because the paint inside of the aerosol can will never match properly with the paint on your panel. Now on the automotive paint shop, there are experts sitting there who will do the paint matching for you, and they will match exactly the shade which is there on your car, and they will give that paint to you. Now to spray that paint, you need a spray gun, and on that spray gun there are different type of settings, like setting the PSI, setting the fan width, how your spray pattern will come on the panel. All these things are in your control when you are using a spray gun. You can't do that on an aerosol can, guys, because paint blending is not only about getting the right shade, guys. You should also know the technique how to blend the paint with the surrounding panel, and that too seamlessly. Now there is a technique behind this, guys, which I am going to show in my new course. It's a very advanced technique. I have tried it multiple times and I have got amazing results, guys. So that technique I'm going to share in my new course. It needs experience and practice. So you should know the basics in the first place. Now there are many pitfalls and risks of DIY auto body in painting, guys. Some of them I will tell you now. The first one is uneven paint coverage. Then you can get orange peel or paint runs in your paint job. You can get dust, dirt or overspray in your paint job. Once you are done with the paint job, after few days your paint can start to peel off. And the most important thing, guys, is the health hazard. Because if you don't protect yourself by wearing a mask, and if you don't protect your lungs and your body first, then you are not going to go a long way with this skill, guys. So you should protect yourself first. With that, let's move on to myth number 3. And myth number 3 is all paint shops are the same. Yes, guys, some people think that all paint shops are the same, whether it's a minor scratch repair or a custom paint job. Guys, each paint shop have their own expertise, they have their own equipments, and they have their own overall service. So choosing the right paint shop can make a huge difference. So I will tell you the types of paint shops which are there, and the first one is the collision repair shop. Now this collision repair shop most of the time deal with accidental cars, guys. If you met with an accident and your entire car door has to be replaced, and if your whole panel is gone inside, then they will cut that panel and they will put a new piece there, and they deal with this type of things, guys. Most of the time these type of shops are in collaboration with the insurance company, because the insurance company will pay this, guys. If you met with an accident, definitely you will apply for the insurance, and they are the ones who will pay this type of paint shops. Then comes the custom paint and restoration shops, and this type of shops will paint your entire car. They will change the entire color of the car, and on this type of shops they have very skilled painters, guys. They are advanced level painters. They know the advanced techniques of how to do a great paint job. And this type of shops, guys, they spend a lot of time on surface preparation, and they will prepare the surface to perfection so that when you spray the paint, it is going to look super good. And the third type of paint shops are the budget friendly and the quick fix paint shops. Now these type of paint shops are very cheap, guys, and obviously they will use low quality paint materials which will not last long, but they will get your paint job done for very cheap. And then there are specialty paint shops, guys, who deal with classic cars, show cars, where they will have a art or a design on the car, and they will apply clear coat on top of it, and they will do the color sanding and buffing, and they will give you that exotic look. Now this type of paint jobs are done by the specialty shops, guys. And with that, let's move on to myth number 4. And the myth number 4 is, guys, people think that auto body painting is just about the looks. Yes guys, many people think that auto body and painting is just about the looks of the car. But it doesn't end there, guys, because if you use high quality material on the surface of your car, it will make your vehicle last a lot longer, and it will protect your vehicle from rusting as well. And if you have done a custom paint job on your car, then your car will look unique if you compare it with other cars, guys. So there are many advantages in auto body and painting, guys, and it is not just about the look, it is also about protection of your vehicle. So if you guys are serious about auto body and painting, and if you want to know the basics, and if you want to start doing your own paint jobs, then don't worry guys, because I have already created a step-by-step course on auto body and painting. I will put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. Now people all around the world are taking advantage of my course, guys. So what are you waiting for? If you have a dream of painting your own car or your bike, then waste no more time, guys. Go down below and get yourself enrolled, and I will see you guys on the inside. And if you found this particular video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed, so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raison Fernandez signing out. Until we meet again.